Yeah, this man here, just steal some breadfruit off one tree. And him have to take up everyone. Yeah, he can't leave none. Because if he leave one, him going to prison. Serious thing. See there? Everyone. Everyone. Everyone you're going to take up. If you leave one, you go to prison. Try to take up everyone. Everyone you take up. You leave back any going right to prison. So, if you take up everyone and go with it, then fine. I say one breadfruit and you strip the people them breadfruit. Breadfruit tree. So they put them out or something, you have to take them up. Anything on the way you have to carry them with you. You have to carry them. And the whole way you get with. You have to carry them. You have to carry them. You have to carry, you can't leave none. You see you need one and look what breadfruit to pick up and she strip the tree. So he there take them out, carry them out, or somewhere. You have to take them up. You can't leave none. Say they put on them out and walk away later or something. You have to carry them. You want one breadfruit and you strip the people them breadfruit tree. They want breadfruit too and look at the tree, so you don't leave none. No, me now can't touch it. Evidence. Can't touch it. So try take it up. Bend down and want them out. Bend down and carry it. You have to carry it. This man, dangerous. See it? He not leave none. Not leaving none. He not leaving none. See it? See it? Dangerous man. What a dangerous man. See it? He not leaving none. Huh? What a trouble now. This man is dangerous. Like one breadfruit pulling away. Gone with it. Yes. Dangerous man. The man don't plan to leave, then he? And he got with everyone. Yeah, take your time and go. Now leave none. See me here? Dangerous man. This man here carrying 1 dozen breadfruit in his hand. And the one to make 1,013, he got it into his mouth. Dangerous man. He don't want to leave no evidence. This man is dangerous. Really dangerous. Dangerous man. He cannot leave any. He cannot drop any. What's on the side about this man here? This man shall get a Grammy Award. Yes. Cannot drop none. Yes. Can't drop me so reach where I'm going. This man here, he win $1 million. Don't drop none. Right down there going with it. Yes. Dangerous man. Alright, go right down, don't stop.